Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the new M4 Mac Mini that I gifted my grandmother for Christmas. So if we flip this over to the back, as you can tell, this is a Mac Mini with the M4, and this is the base model, and it has 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabyte solid state drive. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's unwrap this baby. And it's supposed to have their satisfactory. Alright, so now we just have Mac Mini printed over along with the picture of the Mac Mini. So let's go ahead and let's open this baby open. Oh, this is a nice computer. I mean, aside from the power button on the bottom, that's not nice, but we'll go ahead and set this aside. Then we have the actual power cord, which I will need, so I'll go ahead and unwrap that now. This is a nice braided black cable. And then designed by Apple in California. See what's in here. Probably no Apple stickers because those don't matter. Just some basic regulatory information. Literally nothing special. Oh, and a manual. Basic user manual, okay. Alright, so now we have the actual Mac Mini. Let's go ahead and let's box aside and let's unwrap this at Mac. Alright, this is apparently not that easy to open. Oh, didn't do it correctly. Oh well. We got the Mac Mini open, everybody. So, as always, thank you all for watching this video. I am the iTunes fanboy, and as always, peace out.